Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Science NCERT solution for class 7, Unit 8, Wind, Storms and Cyclones. So we would start with our first question. Question number 1. Filling the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statements. First blank is wind is a dash air. The answer to it would be wind is a moving air. Second is winds are generated due to dash heating on the earth. The answer to this question is winds are generated due to uneven heating of the earth. Third blank is near the earth's surface dash air rises up, whereas dash air comes down. The answer to this would be near the earth's surface warm air rises up, whereas cooler air comes down. Our next blank is air moves from a region dash of pressure to a region dash of pressure. So the answer to this would be air moves from a region high of pressure to a region low of pressure. Our next question is question number 2. Suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. Answer to this question is first method, take a piece of paper in your hand, allow it to fall from your hand. It will flow in the direction in which wind is blowing. Second method is you can also use a wind vane which helps us to find or know the accurate wind direction. Our next question is question number 3. State two experiences that made you think that air exerts pressure. So the answer to this question is first experience is balloons and balls can be used only when they are inflated with air. When balloon is overfilled with air, it bursts due to the excessive air pressure. So that is the first experience. Second would be we have also experienced the movement of fringes of windows and doors of our house when wind blows in a high speed. This also happens because air exerts pressure. So these are the two experiences that makes you think that air exerts pressure. Our next question is question number 4. Would you want to buy a house? Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? And you have to explain your answer also. So the answer to this question is no. A house which has no ventilators is not a safe or a healthy house to live in. The air circulation is not there in such a house. So it has no fresh air because warm air rises up and goes out through ventilators and fresh air comes in through windows. Our next question is question number 5. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Answer to this question is air exerts pressure. Due to this pressure, banners and hoardings will flutter down or torn when wind is blowing fast. So holes are made in banners and hoardings so that wind can pass through the holes and they cannot become loose or they will not fall down. So that's why the holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Our next question is question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village or town? So the answer to this question would be there are some points. First point, I will make them aware of cyclone forecast and warning service. Second point, rapid communication of warning to the government agencies and all the important places. Third point is construction of cyclone shelters in the cyclone prone areas. Fourth point, helping them to shift essential goods, domestic animals, etc. to the safer places. So these are the some points that you would be doing in case cyclone approaches our village or town. Our next question is question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by the cyclone? So answer to this is, to deal with cyclone, it is important to follow the following points. First point, carefully listening the warning transmitted on the television or radio. Second point, moving to the safer places. Third point, keeping an emergency kit ready. Fourth point, store food in a waterproof bags. Fifth point, not venturing into the sea. Sixth point, keeping all the emergency numbers. Seventh point, quick information and communication linkages so that information can be spread easily or quickly. So these are some important points that you have to follow in advance to deal with the situation that would be created by the cyclone. Our next question is question number 8. Which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by cyclone? First option is Chennai, second option is Mangalore, third option is Amritsar, fourth option is Puri. So the answer to this question is Amritsar. Our next question is question number 9. Which of the following statements given below is correct? First statement, in winter the winds flow from land to ocean. Second point, in summer the winds flow from land towards the ocean. Third point, a cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high speed revolving around it. Or fourth point, the coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. So the answer is first point. In winter, the winds flow from land to ocean. So this were the NCERT solution of chapter number 8. I hope you have understood and noted down in your book. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and for that you have to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening. Once again, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. You just press the bell icon so that notification about the new videos would be provided to you.